Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a date night look, something that's like simple but still cute, when you want to look all, nice and cute for your boyfriend when you go on a date or whatever, I'm just kidding, that was all weird. Anyways, but yeah, so I'm just going to show you, it's like a, neutral, not smoky eye, but it's got like a hint of glitter to it, so yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my foundation on, my usual foundation routine, and don't judge me on my makeup because I'm still learning how to do eyeshadow and just do my makeup in general, so no judge. Okay, thanks. But yeah, no, but for real though, I'm still learning, so just bear with me. Oh yeah, and I already moisturized my face already, so I'm good. My face is nice and moisturized. Okay, and you already know the deal with my beauty blender. I just put it underneath the water, get it all soaked, and then squeeze the excess out. And if you already didn't know, I used Lancome and then shade 420. And this just gives you like a nice full coverage, especially on days where you just want to cover up some acne or whatever. So I'm just gonna blend this all in. Alright, now I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face with the NYX NYX Wonder Stick. I always be pronouncing it wrong. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my paintbrush, if you don't remember from my last video on my updated makeup routine. But yeah, don't judge. Makeup brush, paintbrush, still the same shit. I'm just gonna go ahead and just contour all over my face, all over my forehead, underneath my cheekbones, and my nose. Alright, now that I got my concealer and contoured all over my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all in. And quick question, where do y'all like to go out to eat, or date night, or movie night, wherever usually you do for a date? I personally, I don't know, my favorite restaurant or place to eat would probably be Sawgrass, because they got some bomb-ass steak, and that shit is fire. As you already know, in one of my vlogs that I recently had recorded when I went for my mom's birthday, I showed you all that picture. Girl, that shit was juicy as fuck. Alright, now that I got all my shiznit, whatever the fuck it's called, concealer and all that bullshit blended in, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Smashbox blush and a big blush brush, and this is in the color Paradise, and just dab a little bit on the top of my cheekbones, just give that, nice cute little, I can't think of the word, it's like rosy cheek, like I'm cute, okay, that was so ugly, so excuse my awkwardness or whatever, but like I said in my last video, this is me, so, love it or hate it, still gonna be doing me or whatever. I've been saying whatever a lot because I've been watching Bretman Rock, and he is hilarious. Oh my gosh, I love watching his videos. He's definitely that I like to watch when it comes to makeup and his silly videos, so okay, I gotta stop, but I think I got it down. Those fucking dogs next door keep fucking barking, ruining my fucking video. God, they have 2 dogs right next door that recently had moved in. Oh my goodness, and they bark all fucking day, dude. Okay, maybe not all day, but sometimes that they're barking, even at night, I'm like, oh my god, it'd be like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, and they're like, rah, 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 rah. Like, dude, shut your dogs up. I love animals. Don't bash me. Don't get me wrong. I love animals and all that, but sometimes it's just like okay, they're just dogs. They bark at everything and anything that moves, but still. I'm gonna be using the Nudes Maybelline palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use use this, like a gold, it's like a goldish brown, and this brush has no number on it. It's just like a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on the top of my eyelid and just blend it a little bit. And I really like this eyeshadow palette. This one's really nice because it's just like a, you know, like neutral, a neutral still natural, neutral to natural. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you know what I mean. Like, it's not too dramatic. No, if you're just trying to do like a simple eye makeup look. Alright, now that I got that blended, do the other eye. Alright, and now that I got my eyeshadow all blended out pretty much, then I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out my brows. Get them brows on flaky. And like I said before, I'm not really too big on the eyebrows. I don't fill them in too much. I just kind of, you know, just do it very lightly. Alright, now just blend that shit out, you know. Okay, and sorry for the bad lighting because it's raining outside, so it's really dark. So, but yeah, just to let you know that. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my Stila, what is it, liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna put this like on the upper part of my lid, like right here, like the little crease. And I'm gonna go ahead and take like a small angled brush thing. I don't know, just a small brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put some on the little brush on my eyelid in between the crease. Okay, now that it's on there, okay, it's kind of a lot, but we'll work with it. We'll work with it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Now that I got that on there, just kind of blended it out a little bit. Not too bad. Not as much as I wanted to put, but like I said, we'll work with it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner using the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. Now I'm just doing the other side. Now that I got my eyeliner on, now it's time to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And as you know, my favorite base, the Silas Booster Extra Large. My favorite, gives your eyelashes a little bit more volume when applying your mascara. Alright, then I'm going to take my Hypnose Drama by Lancome. Oh, and the white one was Lancome. I don't know if I mentioned that, but that one is also Lancome. And then the last mascara is the Ant Lashes Mascara by Ulta. And then obviously do the other side. Alright, now that I got my top mascara on, then I'm just going to do my lower lashes with the Ant Beauty, Ulta Beauty Lashes Mascara. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add my Vaseline onto the upper part of my cheeks, or on my cheekbones. Whatever, you know, on the cheeks, right? So I got that. Then I'm going to take my, I always forget every time what this is called. I think it's called Golden Sunshine from Shop Miss A. And I'm just going to take my Ulta Beauty, like a small blush brush, I guess you can say, and then just apply that on the upper part of my cheeks where I applied the Vaseline. And oof, you see that? That glow, yes. Okay, and then just a little bit more, just so everything's all blended. And I was gonna do just like a glossy lip, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and use my Essence lip liner in the color Soft Berry 05. And there you go. Don't want to apply too much to make it too dark. Just enough that adds a little bit color to your lip. There you go. There's the final look. And this is the final look. You know, a nice, cute, still kind of natural, but a little glam for date night. Just put a little bit of glitter. Well, a lot of glitter. But, you know, like I said, you got to work with what you got. I'm not no professional makeup artist. I'm still learning. Still, you know, trying to mess with my makeup and, you know, have fun with it. I mean, that's the whole point of makeup, is to have fun. So, I really did enjoy doing this look. And I really really hope you get inspired or recreate this look, or you know, but yeah, this is the look. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really had fun recreating this for you. A little date night look, you know, still cute but glam-ish, you know. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. If you want more looks like this, or tutorials, or like vlogs, or anything like that, just let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. Love you. Mwah.